Hi. In this video, we will see how to generate a JSON file for EWAY bill in simpliRP ERP. Please note, all the dates, names and data shown are just examples only. Do not represent actual data. Please check with GST rules for latest policy. Go to EWAY bill generation link in simpliRP. Select the invoice date. Select the invoice. In case of third-party transport, select the transporter name. Enter the distance. Enter the transporter document number. Click Update. Again, when you click Get Records, you will see a link for downloading. You can download that file. Likewise, for own transport. Enter the distance. Please enter the vehicle number without space. After downloading the JSON file, you can upload in your GST portal for generating the EWAY bill. Please note, the distance is mandatory. Also, in case of third-party transport, GST number of transporter is mandatory. Thank you.